Decor Designs, your go-to channel for all things home decor and design. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. An outdoor living area, specifically a covered backyard space, is a functional extension of your home's interior that resides within the boundaries of your property but remains open to the fresh air. It is a purposefully designed environment that bridges the gap between the comfort of your living room and the natural beauty of your garden. By adding a structural cover, be it a permanent roof, a pergola, or a stylish pavilion, you create a room without walls that provides shelter from the elements while maintaining a seamless connection to the outdoors. It is a dedicated zone for relaxation, socializing, and dining that allows you to enjoy nature without being at the mercy of the weather. The benefits of investing in a covered backyard space are truly transformative for both your lifestyle and your property value. Primarily, it offers year-round usability. Whether it is a scorching summer afternoon or a drizzly spring morning, the overhead protection ensures your plans aren't ruined by the climate. This protection also extends to your expensive outdoor furniture and appliances, shielding them from UV damage and moisture, which significantly increases their lifespan. Beyond practicality, these spaces serve as a sanctuary for mental well-being, providing a breezy spot to decompress after a long day. From an entertainment perspective, it becomes the ultimate hub for hosting guests, effectively doubling your home's hosting capacity and making every gathering feel like a special vacation. Decorating your covered outdoor space requires a thoughtful balance between durability and aesthetics to ensure it feels as cozy as your indoor lounge. Start by defining the layout with a high-quality outdoor rug that anchors the seating area and adds a pop of texture or color. Layering is key. Use a mix of weather-resistant throw pillows, cozy blankets for chilly evenings, and a variety of potted plants at different heights to soften the structural lines of the cover. Lighting plays a massive role in setting the mood. Consider a combination of overhead statement pieces, like a rustic chandelier or a sleek ceiling fan, paired with string lights or floor lanterns for a warm, inviting glow. To make the space look high-end, choose a consistent color palette that complements your home's exterior. And don't be afraid to use wall art or mirrors designed for outdoor use to give the area a finished, intentional look. To truly maximize the potential of your covered backyard, you need a curated selection of hero items that provide both luxury and utility. Comfortable, deep-seated sectional sofas made of teak or high-quality synthetic wicker are essential for lounging. For those who love to cook, a built-in outdoor kitchen with a grill, mini fridge, and prep station turns the space into a culinary destination. Technology also has a place here. Weather-rated televisions and integrated sound systems are perfect for game days or movie nights under the stars. If you want to add a cozy focal point, a stone fireplace or a modern fire table provides warmth and a mesmerizing ambience. Finally, functional additions like ceiling fans for air circulation and motorized privacy screens can help you control the environment, making the space comfortable regardless of the season. Now that we've covered the fundamentals, let's explore some inspiring ideas for incorporating ideas into your project. Here these the compilation of the top 10 best covered backyard outdoor space ideas to inspire you for your next project. One Bohemian chic white brick lounge. This bright and airy space utilizes a white painted brick fireplace and a high vaulted wooden ceiling to create a Mediterranean feel. The combination of built-in bench seating, woven light fixtures, and a sleek outdoor kitchenette makes it feel like a high-end resort tucked away in your own backyard. 2. Multi-level suburban deck system. A great example of maximizing a smaller yard, this white trimmed deck features a covered lounge area and a separate sun deck with a built-in grill station. The use of white railings and light wood tones keeps the structure looking light and perfectly integrated with the home's siding. 3. The ultimate rustic pavilion oasis. This design features a massive timber-framed pavilion with a stunning dark wood ceiling and exposed trusses. The focal point is a grand stone fireplace with a mounted TV, surrounded by plush wicker seating and vibrant orange accents, creating a perfect year-round entertainment hub. 4. Grand Brick Manor Outdoor Great Room. This sophisticated space feels like a true outdoor living room, complete with a stately red brick fireplace and a grand wrought iron chandelier. The slate tile flooring and high-end wicker armchairs create a formal yet comfortable area for hosting dinner parties and holidays. 5. Mediterranean Poolside Veranda. This elegant space transitions perfectly from the home to the pool area. It features a warm wood plank ceiling, stone-wrapped columns, and a large outdoor bar. The warm glow from the wall lanterns and the proximity to the water make it the perfect setting for a sunset cocktail. 6. Sleek Modernist Fireplace Lounge. This ultra-modern design boasts a flat, black-trimmed roof and a stunning linear gas fireplace embedded in a smooth gray stone wall. The clean architectural lines and minimalist landscaping create a peaceful, high-end atmosphere for quiet evening relaxation. 7. The Adventure Island Kitchen. This creative space features a large wooden pavilion with a unique, swinging bar. Instead of traditional stools, heavy-duty rope swings are used at the island, creating a fun, playful environment next to a professional-grade outdoor kitchen and pizza oven. 8. Modern Minimalist Dining Terrace. Perfect for those who love clean lines, this space uses a sleek, white flat roof extension to house a chic wicker dining set. The dark accent wall and large tropical plants provide a sophisticated contrast against the bright tiling, making it an ideal spot for morning coffee. 9. Industrial Gray Louvered Retreat. Featuring a modern dark gray metal pergola with adjustable louvers, this space offers ultimate control over sun and shade. The cobblestone flooring and minimalist gray furniture provide a trendy industrial vibe that looks incredibly sharp against a dark-clad home. 10. Luxury Poolside Entertainment Hub. This expansive covered patio is every entertainer's dream, featuring a full-service bar with stone pillars and a luxury pool just steps away. With integrated lighting, ceiling fans, and a cozy sectional sofa with orange accents, it's a versatile space designed for both relaxation and parties. Creating a covered backyard outdoor space is one of the most rewarding home improvement projects you can undertake. It's more than just adding a roof over your head. It's about creating a lifestyle where nature and comfort coexist. Whether you prefer the rustic charm of a stone fireplace or the sleek sophistication of a modern louvered pergola, the key is to design a space that reflects your personality and meets your family's needs. We hope these ideas have sparked your imagination and given you the confidence to start planning your very own outdoor sanctuary. If you enjoyed this tour of the best covered backyard designs, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more weekly inspiration. Which of these 10 designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. We love hearing about your home renovation dreams. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss a video, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.